My name is Bridgette and I am a Bachelor of Veterinary Science with Honours student studying at the UQ Gatton Campus. I think the reason why I chose to study a Bachelor of Veterinary Science is I can't really see myself doing anything else. I've always loved animals. I just think it would be a pretty incredible career to be a part of. There are so many special and unique things about studying veterinary science. Really cool opportunities and hands-on experiences with animals that are both really educational but really fun. I also think that we get to learn some really cool things from world-class professors who are just experts in their field. My favourite place of all on campus is the Clinical Skills Hub. It has so much available. It really helps you learn your technical skills, and I just think it is a world-class facility. I feel like UQ has really prepared me for my future career. They have set up such a great basis for me to be able to learn, to know that I can go find information, that I'm capable, that I can build study habits, that I can hit all of these benchmarks that I need to be a successful veterinarian one day.